In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Excalidraw in Obsidian. We'll walk through getting the Excalidraw plugin set up and then create a quick example so you can start sketching diagrams right inside your notes. First, open Obsidian and make sure you're in the vault where you want to work. Obsidian is your workspace, and Excalidraw will live inside it, so starting in the right vault keeps your drawings organized from the start. Next, head to the Settings panel. You'll find the gear icon in the bottom left corner of the app. Click that to open Settings. From here, navigate to the Community Plugins section. This is where you can extend Obsidian's capabilities with trusted plugins from the community. If Obsidian prompts you about community plugins, simply review the message and proceed so you can access the plugin browser. Now click Browse. This opens the directory of available plugins. Use the search bar if needed and locate Excalidraw. Excalidraw is a freehand, whiteboard-style drawing tool that's great for mind maps, flowcharts, and quick sketches that live alongside your notes. Click on Excalidraw to open its details page, then click Install, and once it's installed, click Enable. That switches the plugin on for your vault. After enabling, look to the left sidebar. You should see the Excalidraw icon appear. This is your entry point to the canvas whenever you need a visual. Go ahead and click the Excalidraw icon. A canvas will open where you can start dragging and placing objects. The toolbar lets you add shapes like rectangles, diamonds, and circles. Draw freehand, insert text, and connect items with arrows. If you're new to it, try dragging a shape onto the canvas and then double-click to add text inside. You can adjust colors, stroke width, and fonts from the Properties bar to keep things clear and consistent. Let's make a simple flowchart as an example. Place a rectangle at the top and label it Start. Below that, add a process rectangle, something like Gather Input. Next, insert a diamond shape for a decision and label it Is Input Valid? Draw arrows connecting each step in order, and from the decision diamond, branch one arrow to a rectangle labeled Fix Input and another arrow to a rectangle labeled Proceed. Finally, connect those branches back into the main flow as needed. Use Shift-Drag to keep lines straight and zoom in or out for fine adjustments. As you work, Excalidraw saves your drawing as a file in your vault, so it's easy to link, search, or revisit later. That's it. You've installed Excalidraw, found it in the sidebar, opened the canvas, and built a basic flowchart right inside Obsidian.